everything I eat in a day. For breakfast, I had Swedish cracker with cheese and small bell pepper. I also toasted homemade bread. Put very thin milk chocolate from Denmark on top of the toasted bread. Try crunchy chocolate snack and mandarin orange with chocolate for snack. I had leftover mapo tofu and eggplant with bean sprouts for lunch. Also microwave frozen rice. Afternoon snack with BBQ flavored potato chips and red berry and grapefruit ice cream. For dinner, I made Japanese hot pot style noodles. I couldn't find the noodles, so I made from scratch. Prep all ingredients need to be cut first. Carrots, Napa cabbage, daikon radish, kabocha squash, tofu, and green onion. Cooked veggies with dashi. Add tofu, noodles, and fried tofu. Add miso and green onions.